Our news today is not about politics. We're encouraging people, especially men, to open up and talk instead of keeping things bottled up inside because of tradition, ego, or something else. Men are told to be strong more than women, but today we're encouraging people to speak up and not die inside. For example, a man might pay 100k in lobola but still be unhappy in the marriage and keep smiling, saying he's making his wife happy. No, you shouldn't ignore the pain in your heart. To persevere life, people should open up, speak to each other and to everyone. Be happy yourself too, so you live long. The key message for men is this: learn to talk openly with your woman, but always do it with respect. When both partners communicate honestly and kindly, daily life becomes easier and both can be truly happy. Stay tuned for more. We've got more really conversation coming your way. Madoda khulumanini lingafeli ngaphakathi bafethu. Abaningi benu basemajelile, anileli ngakho majelile lifuna ukufa ngesifo senhliziyo. Speak up.